What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I'm back. Today is my birthday, and so TSA pre-check.
TSA pre-check only. Please have your quarter passed out. This way. Are you pre-check?
No.
You have to go downstairs and number 6.
See? Okay.
TSA pre-check only.
Alright, come on.
What is TSA pre-check?
See when
Oh, we have to go back?
Yeah, we're not prepared.
I have to go back. Are you going to carry it now? Okay. That's a phone for...
Alright, you guys. So, I'm at the airport. We're trying to find our gate so we can board because we are running late. But I guess wherever we were was TSA pre-check. Yeah. Wherever we were first was TSA pre-check, so we have to go through regular boarding. So, yeah. So we're just trying to hurry because boarding's at... Yeah, that's TSA pre-check. Yeah. You have to pay for that in advance. You guys, I'm using my phone because I'm running late and I can't be bothered to be, going back and forth with my camera until I get through there. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to stop recording now. Starbucks, we're getting on. You guys, I wanted to get some Starbucks, but we're running late. So, I won't be able to get any. So sad. But yep, made it through TSA. Now we gotta find the gate. Hopefully it's not too far. Come on in the back. Yeah. I'll talk back to you guys when we are on the flight. You guys, we are waiting on the flight, but I guess it's delayed a bit because they don't have, what did it have, money? Oh, one of the crew members is running late, so I don't know when they'll get here. Anyways, I got coffee, not Starbucks, because the line was too long and I thought I was running short on time, but they announced that when I walked away, so I already bought this. No COVID, amen. But let me see if it's in money. You guys, so first our flight was delayed because one of the crew members was running late, and now it's canceled. So we have to go to a help desk or something to figure out another flight. And look at this line, y'all, to figure out the flight. This is the line. This is the long ass line. This is the long ass line, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh God. So y'all, it's been, let's see, it's been 2 hours since we've been in this line. I'm sitting down now because my my parents are finally up there talking to someone. I don't know how this is gonna go. It's not looking like we're gonna be able to get on a flight today because everyone that their flights got canceled are like booking everything up. So it's either not enough seats, it's a lot of layovers, or we're just not getting anything till tomorrow. So at this point, I'm over it. I don't know what to do. Anyways, I'll be back when we have some info. Yeah, tell y'all. So y'all, we got in the line. We got tickets, but they're standby. So it's at 3:50 is boarding. It's now 11, so we have a couple hours, and we just have to pray that we can get on the flight because it's a standby. Then, if that doesn't work, there's another standby at 7. So at this point, I don't know. I'm just praying that it works out for the first flight or the second, and we can get to where we're going. It's gonna be a long day here. A long day. I'm gonna have to get me a drink, child, because I'm over it. So yeah. Yeah, see me. Anyways, I'm just chillaxing. Want me to say hi? Bud. Hey, Ralph. Say hey, Tag is stuffed. He has to sit on it. Say hey, Grandma. Thank you. Hey. Thank you.
Hopefully we get to Florida today.
Hopefully. Praying it works out. So this vlogger will just be stuck in the airport. No way out. Standby. Like, yeah, what you? I need to make a TikTok, y'all, about this whole thing. Anyways, let me. Yo, we finally made it. It's currently 6:43. So yeah, we got here on time. My mom was able to get on the flight. I'm so happy.
Marilene Faria, Ronaldo de Paulo. Contactar o funcionário azul na lateral do portão E9. Attention in the concourse. This is a general boarding announcement for customers traveling on flight 2202.
Anyways, now I'm just waiting for everyone to come out. I was my seat was pretty close to the front, so that was good. So I got to get off quick, and I was in the aisle, so I think my mom should be out soon though. She wasn't too far behind me, and then my stepdad and my grandma was all the way in the back, so we'll be waiting for a little bit. But yes, I'm so glad we got here. It's dark out, but at least we got here today, because I was starting to doubt if we were going to get here until tomorrow. I just think about if you're near the flight here.
Right?
You wouldn't even left yet. Yeah? Really? It is peepee. What is up, you guys? We have finally made it. So we got to the hotel. We rented a car, so we had to get that first, and then yeah, we're here. It's nice little, TV, 2 beds. Mommy's in the bed, okay.
It's nice.
Nice little ottoman. Can sit on. Nice little seat. Closet space, more bedding, hangers, iron, typical stuff. Okay, wow, the lights up here, so too. Let's see if they have. The only thing I don't see is, okay, and then, the little sit-in area right here. It's pretty big, y'all. And generator is on. And then, cute little area right here to prop stuff on. The mirror. They have a huge hallway. I don't know why they need a hallway this huge, but they do. But you already know. Gonna be taking pictures. Right here, tripod's gonna be set up here. Yes. And then the bathroom. Let's see how it looks. It's cute. It's very spacious. Very spacious, y'all. We got, it's very spacious. Because the last hotel we stayed at did not have any space at all. And the mirror is nice. Like, bathroom selfies. Yes. Let me see how my hair has held up throughout this whole day. It's held up. It's still going. It's still going. And it's been in a ponytail all day, and it's still nice and straight. I do have to. There's this little part right here that I think I slept on it wrong in the plane. I might run the iron over it like real quick because we don't want heat damage. But yeah, nice little area. Toilet, shower. Shower is nice. Yeah, it's cute. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ready. I was gonna, go out to eat tonight, be cute, but after this whole day, I'm just gonna, not really dress up. I might, do a quick little makeup look. And yeah, tomorrow we'll go out to eat. It's Sunday, so yeah, you gotta get this apart, But yeah, I'll be back when I'm ready. Go out to eat, then I can wrap this one up.
Colder. AC.
I mean, it's still warm.
Because they used to the warm. They used to the warm, you know. So they have to put her.
I mean, if
So they was
you,
80 degrees.
I mean, if you're there, Jamaica, I know you don't want the AC.
Well, you got turned around?
See, mommy?
Oh, okay.
Mommy, Tarian? No? Okay. Okay, y'all, so let me hurry up and get in this car. I don't want my hair to be wet. So we're on our way to eat something. I didn't really do my makeup. It's pretty late by the time we got here, so we're just gonna grab a quick bite. It's dark, but oh yeah. I saw this dinner when we used to go to Harrisburg Theater with the co-chairs them right here, so.
Well, in the breakfast all these things.
I said Dana's work at breakfast, me I get. I live for breakfast at night. Or I should have. You know, yeah. I'm gonna feel I'm on a fries though.
How's everyone? Can I get one service and a drink? Sure. With lemon?
Yes.
Can I have that too? Right now.
That's all you want to know?
Yeah. Just make I get one.
I'll take a water with lemon for now, too, until I.
No, it's out actually. It's out? Yeah, that one's out. We have cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and I think grapefruit, guava.
Guava. I don't think I should. I'll try to go.
3 waters and a book. I'll bring you a water bottle.
Okay.
Hey.
I go with the fish. Nobody will cook with it. Everybody start for the food now.
All right, you guys. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the vlog up right here. It's currently 11:43, so my birthday is about to be done in a little over 15 minutes. And yeah, we went out to eat and everything at the diner. And then tomorrow, you know, we'll actually dress up and go out. But today was fun though. I enjoyed it, even though it was annoying at times. Girl, my lashes looking weird, but yeah. The day is done. I'm gonna have a good sleep because I'm so tired. But you know, had fun. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be like me vlogging the rest of my trip.
Look over your head.
Coming out, me here get wet. Listen, me not pay $200 for me here, girl. spoil already. Must be mad. So, mommy, say bye to the vlog for now. This bye vlog. Say bye to the vlog, everyone.
Bye. Good night and bye.
Night.